Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. I got so many requests from you guys to make something Harley Quinn in honor of the new movie Birds of Prey. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. I have seen this movie twice. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do any spoilers today. The first time I saw it was in Hawaii, and the second time I saw it was back in California. I took my entire team. We did a girls squad, even Mama Mia, my sister came, everybody was there. It was so much fun. Anyways, in the movie, whether you've seen it or not, this is not a spoiler, but there is a food that Harley loves. She calls it her perfect egg sandwich. It's a breakfast sandwich. I love breakfast, she loves breakfast, and I'm telling you, this sandwich was a character in the movie. It had a whole scene and it looked so good. It had me craving it after the movie. I wanted a breakfast sandwich so bad. So I was like, dang it, we're gonna make that. We're gonna recreate that sandwich. Also, the way she looks at that sandwich was like, the way I feel about all food. And this is so much fun. I haven't dressed up to do a Nerdy Nummies in a really long time. I am really enjoying it. So if you guys like it too, don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because we are gonna be making many more Nerdy Nummies this year. All right, now let's get started. What a way to start my new life than with a perfect egg sandwich. I'm so excited. Okay, so in the movie, Harley loves this breakfast sandwich. It is made by a guy named Sal. I have the ingredients over here. The sandwich consists of ciabatta bread, bacon, but because I don't eat bacon, I am replacing it. Is the only thing I'm changing about the recipe. I am using turkey bacon versus regular bacon, but you can do whatever you'd like at home. I'm just making this sandwich for me. 2 eggs, American cheese, and in the movie, they use 2 slices. And then we have some melted butter to put over the ciabatta bread while it's toasting. I've also got a griddle heating up right now. It is very hot, so be careful. And a little bit of hot sauce. And she says, not too much, because she wants to taste the cheese. And I can't blame her, because American cheese is delicious. I don't know that it's that great for you, but it is delicious. And this is my favorite hot sauce. It is so inexpensive. It is so cheap. It's like $1 at the store, but it is Louisiana Crystal hot sauce. And I've been using this for years. Mike, before you met me, right? This is one of the first things I put in the fridge.
Yeah, you talked about it in videos years ago.
I know it's ridiculous. I think it's in all of my fridge tours. You will find Crystal Louisiana hot sauce. I love it. It's really hot and it's really inexpensive, and I'll probably be eating it till I'm a 96-year-old woman. Not sorry. It's great. I'm using this griddle because in the movie, Sal is making it in his little restaurant on a griddle, on a flat grill. That's what you want. And I do have one over here, but it's a little harder to see, and I wanted it to be right front and center. Oh my gosh, I had this portable one from when we did a pancake challenge.
Oh,
green sweater under.
Bro! Is that what you think of me? I'm a blob.
Yeah, when we did pancake art challenges, and I thought, perfect, I'll use it for the perfect egg breakfast sandwich. Also, we wanted to get our lure right. I looked all over LA for these, and we finally got them. These are both food safe, meant for food. This is yellow grease paper and a sandwich aluminum wrap. It was actually crazy. I had to look all over LA for these. I only found 2 places, and one of the places that wanted me to buy, how many of these, Molly? Hundreds. And I was like, I don't want that many. So I had to buy 30. It's the lowest quantity I could get, but now I can make 30 perfect breakfast sandwiches. So, Sal uses a lot of butter in the movie, and I don't blame him. It's good, but it's probably why Harley also loves these. Oh no, I got my jacket fashion in the butter. Oh no, I wonder if you put it on here if you could hear it sizzle. Nope, not yet. Okay. Oh no, fashion emergency. This is why she doesn't cook. It's because you'll ruin the outfits. I'm not even mad because I smell really good now. Okay, here we go. Gotta butter this. Place it on top. Want to toast each of these. Then we're gonna cook our bacon. 2 slices of bacon, or for me, 2 turkey slices of bacon. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. And for those of you who have seen the movie and you're like, Ro, you don't have the right necklace on. she wears that necklace later. Well, they didn't sell that one at Hot Topic, okay? So I didn't have access to her fancy necklace that she wore with this outfit. But I loved all the fashion in the movie. It was so great. Oh, every single outfit that she had, I wanted. And now that I'm getting blonder, I can actually kind of play with the hairstyles too. Did I just get more butter? Now this perfect egg sandwich, Harley likes them over easy. So you're just gonna crack both the eggs, pour them on top, keep them together like so. Let me know in the comments below how you like your eggs. I actually like my eggs scrambled, but in a breakfast sandwich, I like them over easy. We're gonna cook the eggs until all the egg white becomes opaque and then flip them. You still want the yolks to be a little soft and runny. All right, I'm gonna be using 2 spatulas because over easy is not my specialty. It is not so easy for me. So here we go. Come on, baby, we can do this. Oh my gosh, please. Yes, yes, yeah. 2 pieces of cheese right on top of the eggs. Ooh, and let it melt. Oh no, too hot, too hot. Okay, buns are open. All right, we're gonna put the bacon, your turkey bacon, on the bottom. Boom. All right, then we pick this up. Wow! Boom! And a little bit hot sauce, but not too much because you want to taste the cheese. In the movie, it looked like 2 splashes of hot sauce, but I kind of like a lot, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Because for me, that's the perfect egg sandwich. Woo! Yeah! Our egg breakfast sandwich is assembled, and now we're gonna wrap it up in some yellow grease paper. So I'm gonna put it in a little diamond shape. Place the sandwich in the center of the yellow paper. Fold the bottom, fold the side, fold the other side, and we're gonna fold the bottom and tuck it under. Ready? Boom! Just like that. In the movie, it looked like it was cut right in half, not at a diagonal from what I saw. And I saw the movie twice. Let me know in the comments below if you think I'm wrong. That's fine. Now, I didn't want to say this because I love the movie, but there was a few continuity issues with the breakfast sandwich, but I think we got it. Oh, yum. That looks so good. I am drooling. The last step to keep your breakfast sandwich warm is we're gonna wrap it in the aluminum sandwich wrap. Wrap it up the same way. Fold up the bottom, the sides, and the top. And there you have it, Harley Quinn's perfect egg sandwich. Now for the best part. We get to take a bite. In the movie, she tosses the aluminum. She's like, get out of here. Cut to this, and she's like, Now let's take a bite. Delicious. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I decided to throw in a bonus recipe because you see these drinks twice in the movie, in the beginning and at the end. So we're gonna be making a classic margarita. And look at this. Look what I got for Blueberry. This is Bruce's collar. So if you've seen the movie, she gets a hyena and she names him Bruce. And instead of Bruce, this is Blueberry. Bruceberry. It's Bruceberry muffin. Okay, now you gotta get out of here because I'm making spirited drinks. Get out of here, Bruceberry. I love ya. Let's bring in the big guns. Boom! Bonus recipe. We're making a classic margarita like the girls had in the movie. Now this is a spirited drink, but you can replace the alcohols and make it unspirited with a little bit of juice. All right, so to make a classic margarita, you're gonna need a blender. I'm using the bad boy. I brought in the machinery, and fresh lime juice, agave, my favorite alcohol, tequila, and some triple sec. Then to garnish, we have lime wedges and some salt for the rim of our glasses. All right, let's make some margaritas. Oops!
Let's make some.
Oh my God, I haven't even started yet. Well, you know what? The first batch of margaritas in the movie, she just threw on the ground anyways. So we just channeled her. We got that out of the way. Now we're back in business. Also, I forgot a bowl of ice. You're gonna need some ice. And again, I'll be putting all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the description. So if you would like to make these at home, you can. All right, let's go. I feel like that is exactly how Harley would make these margaritas. So we're doing good. A few ice cubes in the triple sec. We're just gonna pour that right in. Woo! Whoa, that's strong. And the tequila, agave, fresh lime juice, And again, I'm gonna stir it up just a little bit. With my old blender, I always had to do this. With the new one, it is so powerful I don't need to. It's just a habit. I like to do it. I think I just like the noise too. I don't know. All right, buckle up, baby. Now we're gonna blend it up. Close this, mix it up. Before we pour some margaritas, you're gonna take a lime, wet the edge of the glass all the way around, and dip into salt. I like to salt the rim. It's optional, but is it? It shouldn't be. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Margaritas for the girls. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me? This is what I'm talking about. And put a lime on top. Bloop. That's perfect. This recipe makes about 5 margaritas. Ta-da! There you have it. Boom! A classic lime margarita, just like from the movie. I really hope you guys enjoyed both of these recipes. This was so much fun to make, and it has been a while since I got to dress up on Nerdy Nummies. So a big thank you to you guys for suggesting making something Harley Quinn from the new movie Birds of Prey. I loved this. Again, I'll be taking pictures and posting the recipes down below and all over social media. And if you guys make these treats, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your creations. It makes me happy. It makes my day. And if you like watching Nerdy Nummies and baking videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And let me know in the comments down below what other Nerdy Nummies I should make next. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow.